Fáilte go dtí Gaelcholáiste Dhún Dealgan. My name is Cuiva Haroon, Deputy Principal of this new secondary school. All students are welcome, so it's not a requirement that you've previously attended a Gael school. We welcome everybody, so from Louth and the surrounding counties. We are based in Dundalk town itself, in Robin House on the ramparts. We are a satellite school of Choláiste Dhún in Balbriggan, Fáilte Stock.
I absolutely love being part of a Gaelcholáiste. It feels like a family in a Gaelcholáiste. There's a lovely small community feel. Even though there's more than 400 students in Choláiste Dhún, we still feel like a family, especially in your year group, you feel like a family, and then all the other year groups are like your brothers and sisters. It's great, I absolutely love it. We all know each other by name. This has definitely helped by the fact that we call our teachers by first name, so like Community Orla. We have a common love for Irish and Irish culture. We're all working towards the same goal, which is An Gaeilge.
All the subjects we learn in my school, we learn through Irish, except for English. The teachers are able to help us learn it in a fun, natural way, and they really help us develop our Gaeilge. We do all extracurricular activities through Irish when it comes to clubs or sporting activities. Everything we do in Irish.
I did not attend a primary school through Irish. I came here on my own. I thought it would be much harder to adapt to such a new environment, but I soon found that the teachers were there to help and I made lots of friends.
If you need any more information, please visit our school website. Tásúla go móilmid le chéile go luath. Bí gíle.